Okay, so finally the concept of open interest. And of course, if you want to dive in more about the open interest information, you can get it from my book. In fact, all this information is from my book, Price Action for All Under My Name. But open interest, I find it fascinating once you know how to use it, how to apply it. And basically, the formula is like I'm showing you here. You had to compare the buy opening price and the close the close price from the market. You had to take Europe markets as a reference because the US market many times is just not as important, I can say, because of the volume that they are actually contributing to the market. It's not as important as the Europe market when it comes to currency market. So this is the formula. When you have the buy opening price closing, the buy opening price plus the close above the opening price, then you have open interest. And the buyers on that situation are under control. So again, buy opening price plus the closing price above opening. So you got the market opens here and it closes over here above it. That means open interest. And that means that the buyers are under control on that specific situation for the next following day. Now, when you have the sale opening price here and the closing below it, below the opening price, then there's no open interest and the seller is actually under control. So that means that we have the market opening here and closing over here. You can expect the price keep higher the next day. And if you got the opening here and the closing over here, you can expect the price to go even farther to new lows the next day. Of course, we have many exceptions under this rule because again, it will depend on the price that you have for the next day. For example, you have the opening price over here, the closing price over here. And the next day, we have all buy potential prices down here. So probably we are not going to take chances to short or to hold a new short for the next day. So it's just the concept that it will help you many times to actually hold a trade for maybe 1 day or two. But when it comes to price action, we better stick to, of course, scalping and day trading. But it's quite interesting when you start to understand open interest because you can use it in so many ways when you have the chance and you have better rallies for the next day. So again, if you want to go further on this, you can get it from my book.